Hello and welcome to technospot. In today's video, we're going to be talking about ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a revolutionary new technology that is changing the way we interact with computers and the internet. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? In short, it's a type of artificial intelligence that is designed to generate human-like text based on a given prompt or input. ChatGPT was developed by researchers at OpenAI, a leading AI research institute that is dedicated to advancing the field of artificial intelligence and making it more accessible to the general public. So, what can ChatGPT do? Essentially, it can take any given input and generate text that is similar to how a human might respond. This has a wide range of applications, including chatbots and customer service assistants, language translation, creative writing, and even generating news articles and social media posts. But the benefits of ChatGPT go beyond just convenience. By using this technology, companies can save time and resources by automating tasks that would normally require a human to complete. And for users, ChatGPT can provide access to information and assistance in a way that is faster and more efficient than ever before. But how does ChatGPT work? Essentially, it uses a combination of machine learning algorithms and pre-trained data to generate text that is as close to human-like as possible. By analyzing and learning from large data sets of human language, ChatGPT is able to generate text that is realistic and engaging. The implications of ChatGPT are far-reaching, with the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and the internet. From customer service and language translation to creative writing and beyond, the possibilities for ChatGPT and other AI technologies are virtually endless. But the future of AI is not without its challenges. As these technologies continue to advance, it will be important for developers and users to consider the ethical implications of their use and ensure that they are used responsibly and for the benefit of all. Of course, ChatGPT is not without its limitations. Like any AI technology, it is only as good as the data it is trained on, and it may struggle to understand and generate text in certain situations. Additionally, it is important to remember that ChatGPT is simply a tool, and it is up to users to decide how it is used and applied. If you're interested in using ChatGPT for your own projects, it's easy to get started. Simply visit the OpenAI website and sign up for an account. From there, you can access a wide range of tools and resources for working with ChatGPT and other AI technologies. In addition to ChatGPT, OpenAI is also working on a number of other exciting projects related to artificial intelligence. From GPT-3, the largest and most powerful language model to date, to DALL-E, a neural network that can generate original images and artwork based on text prompts, OpenAI is constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a truly revolutionary technology that is changing the way we interact with computers and the internet. From customer service and language translation to creative writing and beyond, the possibilities for ChatGPT and other AI technologies are virtually endless. We hope you found this video informative and valuable, and that you now have a better understanding of ChatGPT and its capabilities. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about this technology, be sure to check out the OpenAI website and sign up for an account. Thank you again for watching TechnoSpot, and we hope you'll join us again for more exciting content on ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our latest videos.